Hi, first graders. Today we're going to practice recognizing, reading, and spelling our sight word, new. So it's the one in the red. So our I can statement is, I can recognize, read, and spell the word new. Can you repeat it back with me? I can recognize, read, and spell the word new. Let's look at the word new. Do you notice anything special about this word? Well, it starts with a K, but do you hear the K sound? I don't. I hear n, n. I hear that sound that N makes. One thing we can know is that when we see a K in front of an N, the K is silent, so the N does all the talking. So we would just say N when we see K and N together. They make one sound. We also learned that EW can make the long U sound. So if I said it as N, U, my word is new. Let's practice spelling our sight word new. Spell it with me. K, N, E, W. New. 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 Notice how new was in a different color each time, but it's still the same word because the letters are in the same order. It is spelled K-N-E-W, and that is my sight word new. Let's use it in a sentence. The girl knew the answer. So when we see the word new with a K in front, we think of it as new, like you knew the answer. This is different than you getting a new car. So could I use K-N-E-W to say I got a new car? So he got a new car. No, that doesn't work here because K-N-E-W is that you knew, like you knew the answer. You might be thinking of N-E-W, which is a new car, or you got new pair of shoes. They mean two different things, and they are spelled differently. So we've already had the sight word new, like a new car and new shoes, but today our sight word is K-N-E-W. And that isn't like getting something new, it's like you knew the answer. So right now, I want you to turn and talk to an adult and tell them, and use the word new in a sentence. So please pause the video and turn and talk to an adult to tell them a sentence that uses the word new correctly. Remember, our word is K-N-E-W, new. Did you use new in the sentence correctly? If you did, great job. Here's another example. I knew the time. I know I used the correct word because I used K-N-E-W for new. Again, our word today is new. Let's spell it one more time. K-N-E-W. Now let's read the word. New, new, new. Now that we practiced recognizing the word new, reading the word new, and spelling the word new, please head to the Seesaw activity to complete it and turn it in by hitting that green check button in the top right corner. Have fun, first graders!